Hey, good to see everybody. Nice to be seen. Hope everybody's enjoying their life, but I know you're not. Why? Because you're not like Phil. You guys need to reach out to me, Phil, newsnowcalifornia@gmail.com, so you can get into the residual income asset earner game once you learn from the informational package that I will send you on how you sue the cops when they arrest you illegally for filming in public. You put that into a residual income asset earner, a REA, guys, and look at what I just got into my portfolio. Check it out. It's an actual law enforcement, National Park Service, U.S. Park Ranger boat. And how did I do this, guy? I know a park ranger that had some gambling debt, and he needed to get out to it because the bookies were after him and the mob was after him, and he's a higher up, and he sold me this boat for my residual income asset earner trust. Guys, you can do the same. You just got to find a guy in need. This guy I've known just through the internet, and he had a big gambling habit, guys, and he reached out to me for the information package, and then what did he do? He sold me this boat. He sold me this boat because he had over $60,000 in debt, and he sold me this boat for a measly $1,500 because I didn't also tell you he had a drug problem and he didn't know math. So I got a great deal, and you guys can get a great deal too. Get a park ranger boat. Do it when you can, but find a guy in need who's got a drug issue, can't do math. The way it's going to work, guys, is I'm going to put this law enforcement boat in the water, and I'm going to wear a captain's hat that says law enforcement, and I'm going to go around this lake. Look at this lake. Look where I am in this lake. I'm going to go around here, and I'm going to give rides. They're going to be 50 cents a ride for 5 minutes, and people are going to talk. This is where you make the residual income, guys. People are going to get enjoyment thinking they're with a real cop, and I'm not a real cop. I don't even support the cops because I don't believe there's such a thing as a good cop. I believe the best we can have, guys, in this world is a professional with a moral dilemma. He won't mess with you. He won't violate your rights, but he sees his buddy do it. He zips his mouth, and you go to jail, and nothing is done. That's the problem with the system, but I can change the system. I know how to make it work because I've got that frontline knowledge, and I'm sharing it with you. Guys, we don't want to hate the cops. Remember that. Never hate the cops, but the system is not right. We got to end that qualified immunity, and how you end it is you invest with me in the information package. The investment is just hitting me up. There's no financial investment. Guys, I don't need your money. I've got so much money, I don't know what to do with it. Look, I just got a great deal on this boat. This boat, can you imagine? $1,500. The guy's in debt for 60 grand. He doesn't know math. He's a drinker, and I didn't really take advantage of him, guys. I just found that he needed assistance, and I helped him, and you can give assistance too. You guys need to find somebody to give assistance to and reach out to me, Phil, newsnowcalifornia@gmail.com. Get your boat, especially one from law enforcement. Get your captain's hat on. People are going to talk. Hey, you want to take a ride with Phil? He is a police officer in a law enforcement boat. He's giving rides, 50 cents a pop. Guys are going to say, wow, I've never been with somebody like Phil. He's really going to be like a cop. Okay, let me throw down more money, and people are talking. Guys, the money is insane. Can you imagine how many people throwing down 50 cents to be with me? But insert me with you guys. Get that boat, get whatever you want, be like Phil. Reach out to me, guys. Phil, newsnowcalifornia@gmail.com, and I'll look forward to the next video sharing my information package for the Residual Income Asset Earner Growth Fund that increases every day, and you can be a part of it. Catch you on the next video, guys. Boom.